In this video, I will show you how to create montage videos with motion array templates. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. So I've already downloaded my template from Motion Array and inserted it into my project. You then want to click Files and scroll down until you find the project and drag it onto your timeline. If you play through the video, you will see the different elements to it. If you want to make edits and changes, double click and then you will see it open with more information. So we can see that it says introducing, and I want to change this to my gym name. So I double click on that, double click on the title again, double click again, and then I can put my gym name. So Lions Gym. And if we go back to our final and play it, we will see that it now says Lions Gym. Next, we have a word that says big stretch. If we want to change this to something else, we go to big stretch, double click it, and then we can change this to power. If we would like to add an image to this background, insert it into your project. Once you have inserted it, simply drag it down. Now we can see that there is a lion over there. I've now added the words above the image, so the words will be on top of the image. If I want the image to take up the whole space, simply click it, right click, scroll down until you find fit to frame. Now if we go back to our complete project and play it from the beginning, we have Lions Gym and we have power that includes our lion. You can continue making edits like this and changing words and adding images according to your desired liking. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.